In the hair loss centers, one of the great things that you would like is the fact that you have doctors, right? So when you do your consultation, you'll have doctors that will give you a full exam and let you know what's going on. Well, let me take that back. They don't do actually a full exam. They'll take the actual microscopic and look over your scalp to see if you are a candidate of any type of form of hair loss that the hair loss center can assist you with, right? The other thing is that you have 3 options of treatments. One, you can actually do the hair loss procedure, where they take from the back of your hair, the donor, and they put towards wherever your hair loss is. Normally it's in the front. You can do treatments where it's like you do have the option of whether or not your hair is growing back. You're just experiencing some form of hair loss. So they'll have some type of form of minoxidil treatments, different things that you can go through as well. Or lastly, you may need a system. Maybe you have a person that has lupus or some permanent hair loss, that your hair is permanently not coming back. In that form, you would deal with a professional hairstylist. That means they're licensed professional hairstylists, as well as they are a licensed they are a hair loss specialist, all right? And they go through a rigorous training. It's not like you can go in there and be the typical hairstylist and be like, hey, I want to join this hair loss center. No. You have to travel. You have to go through a training. I did my training in Dallas, Texas, and I had to stay there for 2 to 3 weeks. And if you did not pass the tests, and we had tests weekly, I think it was like every other day. If you did not pass, they gave you your plane ticket and you flew back home, okay? So these are the benefits. Another thing is medication, not medication, but they have over 37 medical adhesives, not the adhesives that you guys buy at the corner store. They have actual medical adhesive that are passed by FDA that you would use, okay? So these are the benefits of having going to a hair loss center, all right? And if you're a mom that's experiencing postpartum hair loss, or maybe something underlining, go ahead and look at my profile, and it'll give you information answering your questions, as well as helping you maneuver through your hair loss recovery. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.